Hello, hello, and welcome to Womble's Hive. It's that time of day again. Archie, woo! I nearly set that on fire. Sometimes I should not be allowed. It's Archie's Paints Countdown to Christmas. And there's the links, everybody. And yesterday's colour, cranberry. So I'm going to move that because it's going to be right under the paper. And look, let me just move the light a bit. It's got a gorgeous little pink shimmer to it. Not too much, but just enough. Absolutely gorgeous. Right, let's move that back in now that we're a bit more safe, probably. Right, only 2 left in this packet. So we're looking for number 11. Can anybody remember what colour it was? I'm going pink. Wrong. That was 12. Tomorrow's going to be an easy pick. So here's 11. And it's got Christmas puddings. How's everybody doing? I've actually managed to get my Christmas cards written and handed out, which is pretty early for me, to be fair, as I haven't had to do it for a few years because I've not worked in those kind of places. But yes, we'll hopefully think that people are enjoying their cards as we speak. And until then, we'll see what colour spruce is. Now, I'm feeling like a pine green. Don't know about you guys. What do you think? Oh, it is a pine green. It's a really dark green. Look how dark that is. Right, let's get some water on this, see what happens. Oh, it's got a silver iridescence in it by the looks. That is cool. Now let's get this colour moving because I definitely want to see the pigment shade as well as the shimmer for this one, because it looks like another nice dark one like gravy. Not that I only like the dark ones, but on the previous years I think they've all, if I remember right, they've all been quite light colours. Oh, that is really nice. Do you guys send cards? Do you make the cards that you send? If you do, I would love to see what you've made for this year. Feel free to drop some links below if you've shared it online anywhere. Right. Ooh. There we go. Right. Well, I can see the silvery shimmer, but I'm not sure if you can just yet. You can sort of see the silver in the shine there, but that is mostly the wet of the paint. So I will show you that tomorrow. But it is a very spruce-like colour, so that's pretty impressive, guys. I hope you enjoyed this colour. Let me know down below if it's something you'd be interested in using in your own pictures. I tell you what, if you were doing a wintry scene of some conifers, this could be just the sprinkling of frost that you've got on your edge of your leaves. It'd be wonderful. Anyway, until tomorrow, find something that makes you smile, and as always, be happy.